Hey guys, today I am going to cook a corned beef brisket in my slow cooker, and here I have the package that I bought at the store. And today I will be using the corned beef brisket, the flat cut. And I've always been using the flat cut. The reason is because it's lean and also because it doesn't have so much fat. If you buy the regular kind of corned beef brisket, you would pay less, but it would have a lot of fat. So this kind of cut is a little bit more expensive, and the pounds that I'm using today would be a 3.65 pounds. So then I will be putting this corned beef into my crock pot, and then I would cook it on high for 8 hours, and then I will show you what other thing I put in there before I start cooking it. When you buy the corned beef brisket at the store in a package like this, it usually comes with a little small package inside for the seasoning. And other times they just put on top of the corned beef all ready to be put into the crock pot or in the oven if you're going to make it there as well. So anyways, now I'm going to put this corned beef into my crock pot. And after I put in the corned beef into the crock pot, and then I will add some water into my crock pot. And it's really important to put water in your crock pot so that way it gets really moist. And basically you just fill it up until you get to the top of the corned beef. You just fill it up to the top. And once you have your water in the crock pot, then you cover it up, and then I am going to cook this on high for 8 hours. And then once the 8 hours come, and then the corned beef is ready to go. It's been 8 hours, and now the corned beef is all done and ready to be served. You can eat the corned beef by itself, or you can make a corned beef sandwich by using rye bread or dill bread and some mustard. So either way, you can eat it by itself or with a sandwich. Either way, it's delicious. So now I'm going to slice the meat, and it's really nice and tender. And then I am going to make myself a corned beef sandwich. But first of all, I'm going to put some mustard on my bread. And then I'll put some corned beef pieces on my bread. And there is the corned beef sandwich. It looks so good. It smells so delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy watching my video. You can support me by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That way you'll never miss a video. I'll see you guys soon.